How to enable dark mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable dark mode on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your control panel. So simply swipe down from the top right corner and you will see this option right here. Now all you need to do to turn on dark mode is turn this on. Now if you do not find this option here, you can add it from your settings on your control panel. You will see on the top left the plus icon. Tap on it and tap on add a control. Now after you do that, you will see the dark mode option right here. So you can add that to your control panel. Now if you want to do it through your settings, you can head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you can head over to display and brightness. After you're on display and brightness, under appearance, you will find light and dark mode. There is also an option to do it automatically. So simply select the dark mode option and that is basically it. That is how you can enable dark mode on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.